We use Helmsman AI to keep work and communication live with the fleet.
Maritime teams still rely on paper, spreadsheets, and disconnected systems. This leads to missed information, delayed decisions, and unnecessary compliance and safety risks. Helmsman AI keeps vessels, offices, and management connected. Unlike generic software, Helmsman AI is built for real maritime operations, offline at sea and audit-ready at all times.
We use Helmsman AI to keep control of our vessels.
They start like this.